Hello friends, let's see how to change file names in sequence. Means if suppose you have multiple files and you are confused in how to get a sequence of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see how it's done. Let's, for example, let's create a folder just for reference and create 5 files only for your reference. See, there are two shortcuts, very simple. Okay, let's done. Select a file, go select all, then click F2, then click anything A, B, C or your one, or you suppose name, learn one, and see. Everything is in sequence. It generally happens when you download it from any of the application or email. You get confused in printing 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it how it's done. Go to just select all and press F2 and see 2. From any of that you can just do it like A. Can you see there's a little bit of confusion if you can just see. When you select from bottom to top, you get the top one. And when you select from up to down, you get a bottom one. Means it gets reverse side. So it's best to do from bottom to top and select one. See, it goes in sequence. Thank you.